What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and ladies and gentlemen, we got some updates for you today. Hey, Cody, what's up, dude?
Oh.
Dude, what do you think about all this?
I love it.
Dude.
Pink pony, son.
The pink pony. And we definitely, we're going to tell Corey he needs to just leave it pink so he can make fun of people when he passes them. But what we got the full tubular front suspension under the car and the coilovers. It's looking good. It's definitely ready to rock. Still got a little bit of wiring and stuff to do, but the rear got some upper and lower control arms inside of it. If you can see it, yep, there. Got the uppers and lowers. Rear end is all back together. All new back brakes. All that. All we got to do is just finish up some of the brake lines. Oops, sorry. New shocks. And, of course, the sticky Mickeys. So, the 79 is rocking. Let's get this thing down and check up under the hood, see what else we got left. Alright guys, so here we go up under the hood. There is still some wiring left to do. Got to get the MSD wired up. But yeah. She's going to be plenty healthy because this car is probably, Cody, what do you think? 200-300 pounds lighter than the
it's gotta be.
Than the hatch. Because all this, of course, was in the 85 hatch, and now it's in this 79, which there's like nothing in a 79. There's like wires and some bolts, and that's about it. Seats, steering wheel, you know. But this car is super light, so it's going to be even better. And once we hook the nitrous up, this thing is going to just pound. But all brand new front suspension, coilover, so that took even more weight out of the car. This thing is going to be a screamer. And of course, did get the get it down all out of the four-wheel drive mode, but yeah, she's sitting really good now. Cody, we're gonna do long smoky burnouts in this thing, dude.
Oh yeah,
it's gonna be awesome. I need a 4-eye notch though.
Yes, we all do.
we all need like 10 of these, and we'll be good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. So sorry about the wind noise, but I did have to grab. I've got a couple of banners for the new shop. Now here's the deal. When I open this up, I'll explain the deal on this banner. But got another couple of banners for the shop, and I did want to say, drop me a comment below if I'm going to be in trouble. I drove the GT today, and as you can see, it's a little swampy out here. So drop me a comment below if I'm going to be in trouble when I get home. Just right below. Because I may need to stay away for a while. Anyway, let's get these banners up there. Alright guys, so back in the shop. Like I said, I've got a couple of banners. Got the AFR banner. But this banner right here, my buddy, Russ, the Grinch, sent me this a while back. And it's only fitting that it goes in this shop. Now, just to give you an idea how old this banner is. He put that on way after the fact. This thing probably hung in his shop for, I don't even know how long, but it's old, and I think it needs to go in here. It's gonna look good. But we did have a couple banners, already got them put up there, and got some of the shelves up. We've already got, these are Lee's Cook's long tubes and Cook's X pipe. He's running the same setup that is on my car. Cook's 3-inch X pipe, 1 3/4 headers. No, excuse me. He got the Cook's 1 7/8 headers. Good God. So Lee is trying to outdo me, ladies and gentlemen. He wants to go faster than me. Cody, we can't have that.
That's unacceptable.
I need to order some 1 7/8 Cook's headers. That's all there is to it. All right, so status right now. Making shelves like those shelves up there, just kind of duplicating those. Those are going to go all the way around the corner. If you caught the last upload, yeah, we're going to have shelves, and again, just store customer parts. But if you did not catch the last upload, we were talking about the shop, showing it off and getting the cards in here, and you go back and watch that. It's pretty awesome. Again, really all we need to do is get the lift up and run some power outlets and send it. Cody, we should send it.
Yeah. All the time.
Yeah, we need to send it. And then we're actually, Cody and I were just talking, and Dover kind of likes the idea too. We're going to put like a little bar here, and Ken can be the bartender. So basically you'd come up to this area right here, and have a seat and just order like a beer or like an hors d'oeuvre, a sandwich, something like that, and then Ken would take care of that. So drop me a comment below if you think Ken would make a good bartender for the new shop. Alex, was that you we heard flying around out there?
I driving 30 all the way.
Yeah, it wasn't you, was it? Now, Alex is very easy on his car. He would absolutely never spin any tires. There you go, guys. Swap number 6. She's just chilling. Uh-oh. Look. Little cow hood. What's that? Alex, how you liking it so far?
Love it.
Yeah? Still running good?
Oh, running great.
Good deal. Did you get the front end? No? Still making noise?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I got a little coil over something or other, some kind of noise going on in there, but it'll be alright.
Take them adjustables off the front, go back to stop.
Yeah. So far, I haven't had any noise out of mine. It's been good. But, I don't know. We greased the snot out of that top sleeve up on top of the...
I think that's what mine is not greased. So we didn't put that, it was already on the car.
Yeah.
Need to grease
I
it.
might take that out.
Let me borrow those coilovers from you.
Yeah, there you go. Cody needs some coilovers.
Front and rear?
Sure.
Yeah, but Cody, you had a bee on your head. No. There you go. There you go.
I just power steering like this.
Ah, okay. Good deal. Yep, she's getting a few miles on her. How many miles you put on it so far?
About 200.
About 200. That's about what I got on mine. So far, knock on wood, hadn't found any issues yet.
Well, your mileage, have you checked it?
I hadn't checked it,
How
no.
many times have you filled up?
Twice. So yeah. And the way I've been driving, yeah, it's... Yeah.
You can look at the back tires and tell what I've been
She's looking good. No mechanical issues really to report, just
No.
suspension issues.
Suspension.
But she's tuned and
Fixed the rear by taking the coilovers off, cutting springs, putting stock springs
Yeah.
on.
she's a beast. We got to get our air conditioning wired up.
Yeah.
At least before spring.
Yeah, that's gonna be. Yeah, Prometheus falling.
Yes. Are your MRTs holding up? It's probably because you got the cow hood.
It stays up all the time when it's in the garage. It never have failed.
I'll put mine up and then go in the house and a little bit louder. I'll wham! Like, yeah, great. Hood fell down. No worries.
Excuse me.
On the little small block, it is right here. We've got the parts off at the blaster, getting media blasted, so those should be coming soon. We got the oil pan cleaned up. Gonna start sanding on that, get it painted up. So stay tuned. We are going to detail this engine for the Electric Red 93. It is currently at Corey's getting all the paint and body work done. So keep an eye out for that. Obviously, this one we're kind of waiting on some parts at the moment. And then Corey's 85, don't mind the wind. Yeah, we got a little bit of everything going on out here. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Then, of course, Corey's 85, the Turbo Coyote. It's also waiting on parts and fundage because, guys, it just isn't cheap. But we're getting there. All right, guys, so keep it tuned right here. We got a lot going on. Some of the builds are kind of stalled out for a couple of reasons. One, we're trying to get the new shop done and moved in. And obviously waiting on just, getting parts and finishing up details, all the fun stuff that goes along with building a car. But keep an eye out for this one. All the suspension and everything is under the car, so it's ready to go. Again, just got to finish up some wiring, stuff like that. And this car will be rocking and rolling. And we got cars coming in. You'll see those soon. I'm not going to tell you any more about the cars that are coming in, but trust me when I say they're going to be awesome. You're going to love it. And headed off to PRI, the subscription. We've almost filled the 500 spots. If you don't have your spot, you need to get it. Link is right below. Get your spot. We'll be having that car coming. It's just we're in a little bit of a holding pattern right now with the new shop, trying to get it done and get moved in so we can go back full bore. building stuff like this because I know that's what you want to see, right, Cody?
That's exactly right.
Exact. Cody was actually just gonna say that, but that is what's up, guys. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up because we got a lot coming, and also headed to PRI next week, so stay tuned for that. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't. Catch up with you later.